Hi everyone, my name is Abigail Smith, and this is an overview of the school proposal to add a virtual school to XYZ School District. So a quick background on virtual schools already implemented in the United States. They started in the 1990s, and as you can see on the chart to the right, just between 2000 and 2014, over 250,000 students across the country were enrolled in a virtual school. So it has been growing, it has continued to grow, and it is becoming a much more popular option than your traditional brick and mortar setting. This type of school is great for students with demanding schedules. You're able to pace yourself, work on your own time. Students with special needs such as accommodations, IEPs, gifted, talented, they will have the opportunity to work with advisors during their time and get those needs met. And even though it's virtual, they will still have opportunities to interact with peers. The proposed mission of this school is XYZ School District's goal is to prepare all students for life after graduation by giving them the tools for success. Students will graduate with the skills of self-paced learning, organization, collaboration, and self-advocacy. All the needs of the students that are met in traditional settings will still be met in this virtual setting, and students will still be highly encouraged to graduate in 4 years. The skills that students are learning are more advanced than a brick and mortar setting because they will have to self-pace their learning, organize in a different way, and collaborate in a different way that will be helpful after school. The model and design, this is a fully online setting, although as mentioned before, there are opportunities to interact with classmates and teachers. The learning management system used for students will be Canvas. It will look the same for every class. Teachers will be required to attend professional development to ensure that students are getting the best education that they can. And like I just mentioned, the skills needed for postgrad will be enhanced because they will be working on all of them online. Some policies in plan. There's a graduation plan all students will have to complete and continue to revisit, especially during those number 2 advisory meetings that will be conducted once a month at least. Every class will have 1 live class a week. It's not mandatory for students, although it is highly encouraged, and it will be available afterwards. There will be attendance checks to make sure that everyone's staying on track, and then administration will be involved with teachers and students alike. Students, if they need disciplinary action taken, and teachers will be evaluated at least on a monthly basis by administration to ensure that students are getting the education that they deserve.